Good morning guys, and welcome to today's job. Today's job is a surface clean, a treat and a rinse. We have a very large job here today. I'm just walking off the front of this property, which we're going to do after we do the back. So I'll video the back first and let you see what I'm calling part 1. So we've got part 1 is the rear. I've separated part 1 into a couple of stages. So one of the stages is these steps, and I walk up the steps. We have another part which would be which would be this rear bit. We have another stage which I'm calling the barbecue on the wall. And we walk down the rear, which the owner has previously cleaned. Got to a point where you see the difference in the colour and I've given up. So we go around this corner, I'm calling this bit another stage. And then we've got this little rear area here. So we've got 2 parts, part 1 and part 2, and each part has a number of stages, and I'm treating it in little sections. So a little final look at the befores, and then let's get started. Right guys, this is part 1 now complete. Have a little walk back through. You can see here, obviously you can see when I did it in a number of stages. So we walked through the stairs, lots better. See the rear patio area, so much nicer, so much cleaner. The barbecue on the wall, again, much nicer, much brighter. As we walk around, remember in the before video, there was a big line where the owner had given up, so we sort of walked through and it got very dirty from this point on. As you can see now, the whole garden's a consistent clean all the way around, even the bits nobody sees, all clean, all tidy. A little reminder of the afters, so there we go. We got a lovely review from this lady also, so again thank you for that. If you want to see part 2 of this video, check out the front being cleaned. Obviously watch our next video. Here are details if you need. Click the links to see more videos and to subscribe. As always, thank you for watching. We'll see you at the next job.